friends, welcome back to Mother Made channel. Friends, today we will make white oil. Do you know what is white oil? White oil is used for making detergent powder like surf, wheel, etc. It is very useful and very easy to make. It is only mixing process. Anybody can make without using any machine and can make it sitting at the corner of your house. The market price of white oil is very high. It's around rupees 80 per liter. But today we will make it at around rupees 40 per liter. So let's start. Friends, I will show you the raw materials first. Then I will show you the full practical video of making white oil. After that, I will show you the quantity of raw materials. So friends, watch my full video in order to understand it properly. See, this is acid slurry. See the texture. It is available easily in the market. See, this is SLES. See the texture and color. It is also very easily available in the industrial chemical shop. See, this is salt, the common salt you use in your kitchen. This is water. You can take RO water or DM water. Please don't take tap water. Friends, now I am starting the practical video. First, in an empty bowl, I am taking some water. Now I am mixing acid slurry. Mix it properly. Mix till the color changes to light color. It is too thick, so I am adding some more water. Again, I am mixing it. It has mixed properly. See the texture and the color. Now I am adding SLES. I am adding some more water. Again, I am adding some more water. The water should be added gradually in order to mix it properly. Now I am adding salt. See friends, your white oil is ready. See the texture and the color. See friends, I am filling in this bottle. You can take any bottle. Many different types of bottles are available in the market. You can take any bottle you prefer. If you want to do business of white oil, take attractive bottle. The business of white oil is very profitable because market price is rupees 80 per liter. But today we had made it for rupees 40 per liter. Now I am showing you the quality of white oil. For that I am taking a water in a bowl and adding a little quantity of white oil. Friends, see the result, the quality of white oil. Now, I am telling you the quantity of raw materials. Please note it down. The quantity of water is 1 liter and the quantity of acid slurry is 80 ml. The quantity of SLES is 50 ml. The quantity of salt is between 15 gram to 20 gram. After mixing all this, you will get white oil. Friends, please remember one thing. Total quantity of water is 1 liter. The water added in between the process should be taken from that water only. And the water should be added very gradually. Same in the case of salt. Add salt very gradually. As soon as your liquid turn thick, stop adding salt. Adding more salt will make your product watery. So don't add more salt. Friends, did you like my video? If you do, please press like button and please share my video with all your friends and relatives. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please press subscribe button. After pressing subscribe button, you will see a bell icon. Please press that bell. After pressing bell, you will see 3 options. Please press the all button which is on the top. Pressing all button is very important. By pressing all button, you will see that you will receive all the notifications whenever I make new videos, and it is free of cost. So please, if you want to see my more videos, please press all button. So friends, now we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.